I'm 29, from contractors. I'm 5'10" and a half. Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, just say your name again, that come from the beginning.
Phillip Dikotla.
Great.
Redemption. Well, let me see. I have no idea what that word means. What do you think it means, honey? But to me, redemption is just a bullshit word. A politician word. A word for young fellas like you to get into a suit, wear a tie, and get a job. What do you really want me to say? That I really feel sorry for what I did? Not a day goes by that I don't feel regret for what I did. Not because I'm here, not because you're here, but because I remember who I was then. A young boy who committed a terrible crime. And I just want to talk to him. I just want to talk some sense into him. I just want to tell him how it is now. But I can't. I can't, and he's gone. And all that's left is this man. And I have to live with this. Redemption? Yeah. Redemption is a bullshit word. Go ahead. Go ahead and put a stamp on those papers and stop wasting my time.